Hello everyone, welcome back to one more video. So as you can see, I built this table fan. So this is a DC motor table fan. This is the controller, this is the power adapter, this is the back side. So this is a 12 volt adapter. As you can see, 12 volts 2 ampere adapter. So directly you can plug it in the AC power. And here you have two DC jack. So one is a thin pin and one is a thick one. So this adapter I'll be using to power up the fan. So as you see, this is the fan, a very lightweight fan. So this is operated using a DC motor inside it, as you can see. And this is a plastic blades, and this cabinet is over here. This is the controller that you see. So this is nothing. Let me just do a focus. Yeah. So this has a knob inside it. I'll show you. So this is the knob. So as you see, this is the on off button as well. So this is off, this is on, and then slowly as you move it or rotate it, automatically the speed will increase like this. So this is the speed controller. And you see this particular DC jack over here. Here you need to connect the adapter. So this is your power source, this is the controller, and there is a LED which will indicate whether the fan is on or off. So this is a very simplistic design of the fan, as you can see. So now I will power it up and show you. So I connected the adapter to the power socket. As you see, this is the switch. If I turn it off, automatically this LED will slowly blink down, and as soon as I power it on, automatically this LED will turn on. So I have given the power, and now using this particular wire, I have the jack over here. So this is the DC jack that I have. So this DC jack, I'll just put it inside this connector. So I just inserted it. As you see, the fan is not rotating, and I just need to turn it on. So I'll just slowly rotate this one. You see the light LED turned on. As soon as I turn it off, the LED is off. So this indicator, and if I rotate it slowly, you see the fan just turned. So now this is rotating very slowly, and if I just rotate it further, so automatically the speed will increase. The speed increased, and if I rotate it down, the speed will slowly reduce. You see how much slow. So now this is very slowly rotating, and as soon as I increase the speed, automatically it will boost up like this. So now you might be interested how much power or what is the airflow of this fan. So I'll just show you. So what I did, I took a cotton cloth over here. I just simply kept it like this, just to show you the airflow. And now I'll slowly turn it on. So if I just rotate it and turn it on to the full speed, you see. So this amount of speed it gets, you see. So this is the exact speed, completely DC operated. If I just simply hold it here also, you see. This is a very high speed fan, as you can see. So as I have modified this fan, so as you can see, I have given my logo of RWeb Technologies over here. So I have the second logo of RWeb Technologies here as well. And if you look at inside the blade as well, so I have given the RWeb Technologies logo. And lastly, if you go to the back, so here I have my details of my organization and my phone number as well. So in short, this is the fan and how it looks. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.